How to record your screen using VLC Media Player. Hey everyone! Welcome back to itnext channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be exploring a cool feature of VLC Media Player that you might not be aware of: screen recording. That's right, VLC is not just a media player. It's a versatile tool that can help you capture your screen effortlessly. So, let's dive into how to use VLC to record your screen. Before we start, make sure you have VLC Media Player installed on your computer. If you don't have it yet, you can download it for free from the official VLC website. The link is in the description. Open VLC Media Player. Head over to the Media tab on the top left corner of the VLC window. From the drop-down menu, choose to open Capture Device. In the Capture Mode drop-down, select Desktop as your capture mode. You can adjust the frame rate according to your preference. A frame rate of 15 to 30 frames per second is usually good for screen recording. Select Convert. Select your desired output format for the recording. VLC supports various formats. Here select MP4 file format. Now under Destination, click on Browse. Choose your destination. Give your recording a name and click on Save. Click on Start. VLC will now start recording everything on your desktop. Do whatever you need to record, and when you're done, click the Stop button. Once you stop the recording, you will see the video here. Now click to play. Congratulations! You've successfully recorded your screen using VLC. You can now review your recording or use video editing software to make any necessary edits. And that's a wrap for today's tutorial on using VLC Media Player to record your screen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy screen recording with VLC.